I think that the guy reminds me of like a 1979 Dale Earnhardt. Fast, not scared to use a front bumper. Doesn't care if somebody gets mad about it. On the verge of becoming a star. And I say that to maybe encourage Carson to continue what he's doing, because Dale Earnhardt ended up becoming a 7-time champion. And that aggressive style was something that endeared him to a lot of people. I don't know who was wrong about that thing down in turn 3 between Ricky and Carson, but I do know Carson had time to save Ricky's ass there and not wreck him.